If you like the taste of the rocky south coast of Crete, you could do worse than a stroll through Paleochora near the southmost point of the island, famous for its superb beaches. Here too stands a ruined Venetian castle that's fun to explore, especially at sunset when the ghosts of the warriors are said to loom over the shadows. Paleohora itself is a pleasant-looking resort sitting on a flat promontory. The best walk is along the waterfront westwards, past the castle, to a series of beachfront cafes and taverns facing the Libyan Gulf. Sitting there, you can watch the small passenger boats come and go to other villages on the south of Crete. Alternately, you can walk through the fields and vineyards just north of the town. Who knows? That you might just come across that secluded eating place known to just a few people.